What's going on YouTube? This is what would Josh do, and this is a pretty exciting video. So Sharge sent me over some power banks that are super slim and attached to the back of your phone, unlike this one that I still today have not opened because their original one wasn't great and I just haven't gotten around to it, and I've heard this one isn't great either. So let's take a look at these and see if these ones are great, because what I'm going to do is fully charge these up, see how long they take to fully charge, and then we're going to drain our phone down to about 20%, maybe 15%, and we're going to see if this thing can get our phone to almost full or at full. And then maybe, depending, I might even see the difference between wireless and wired, but people are mostly going to buy these for the wireless ability. Although you can always get like super short USB-C cables and then connect it to the bottom of your phone, and it magnetically holds to the back of your phone, and you get less heat generated and it's more efficient. So anyways, we're going to test all that stuff out. We have the 5,000 and the 10,000. So the 5,000 is more going to top your phone off. Like, in my experience, it can get your phone from 20% to 80%, which is a substantial amount of extra charge that you didn't have before. And then a 10K should fully charge your phone at least one time. So we're going to try all that out and see. But the front of them are very identical. And on this side, it just shows that it's Qi2, so it's the 15-watt fast charging. And then on this one, you've got two colors for the slim version, and the 10,000 is just one color. And then we have some additional information on the bottom of the box. And then we have some pictures and specifications on the back of it. So this one is the 10,000 milliamp hour version, and this one is the 5,000 milliamp hour version. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the 5,000 first. And when you open it up, you get a picture of it, and it shows the USB-C in and out port there, wireless charging, power button, and the display. It says strong magnetic connection. And then we have a easy pull tab here to take the power bank out. We got an instruction manual, which I'm not going to read because it really should be simple as plugging it in and charging it and then slapping it to the back of your phone. And wow, that is very, very slim. That is super freaking slim. My gosh. All right, so not a whole lot to see here. You got the magnetic side. It's got like a rubber, kind of won't slide around texture to it, which apparently collects things easily. And this is like a really shiny side. So there's your charging port at the bottom of it. And then where's that button? It says it's got a button. Oh, okay. So it's right here on the side with all the labels and listings. And then we have some very small text on the side of the power bank there. I'll let you pause that and read it for yourself. And now let's open up the 10,000 version. So it's going to be a little bit heavier and, of course, thicker, because it has more battery that can be stored inside it. All right, yeah, that's a lot thicker. It's just literally double. It's the same exact dimensions except for thickness. It is the same height, it's the same everything. It's just thicker. And just like the other one, we've got some very small text on the side of the unit. You can pause that and read it if you'd like. There's your power button. And then some safety listings here. Nothing there. And the charging port just like before. And then we have our indicator lights, which went away. Other than that, they are very, very similar. The slim one weighs about 124 grams. And the thicker one, the twice the capacity one, is 196. So, not too bad. All right, so what we're going to do now is just take a look and see how fast they charge. I'll be using this little desktop charger that I just made a video on today. I'm making this video the same day I made this video. But anyways, it's got retractable cables that go in and you can just pull them out, and it's pretty convenient. Right now I've got 40-watt charging bricks inside them, but they do sell 65-watt bricks that you can put in there. So each one of these will do 65 instead of each one of them doing 40. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the tester and then plug in the USB-C. And then turn on the unit. All right, and we can see that we're charging at 18 watts right now. And one light solid, the second is flashing. And we'll do something similar with this one. We'll plug it in. And we have something similar. One light's solid, second light's flashing. So each power bank can charge at about 19 watts. So what I'm going to do is fully charge this thing, see how much of a charge we gain on our phone with each one of these, and then run a test and see how long it takes to recharge these power banks from empty to full. And then we'll conclude the end of the video. Alright, so the battery is 100% fully charged. It is the next day. We're going to disconnect both of these. And first we're going to try out the 5000 and see if it can fully charge our phone. Alright, so the battery is full. Then we'll set it down and we'll connect up our phone. And there we go. So we are charging. The battery was at 11%, now it's at 12. And we'll come back in 30 minutes and see how much of a charge we have. It's pretty slim, Also, something that should be noted with this new iOS 26 update, it literally gives a time now, and it says 12%, 1 hour until 80%. Oh, I do have that 80% limit. Let me go ahead and disable that. I have it set so that my battery stays at 100% for an incredibly long time, but for this video, we do not want that limit. There. Now it'll change and say, oh, it still says to 80. But anyways, the limit's not set anymore. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. It is definitely quite warm. We have 3 bars solid of battery. And our phone is at 38% battery. So, there you go. Let's get a temperature readout. Alright, so it looks like 117, 18, 120. So it is pretty warm. Let's come back in 30 more minutes. Alrighty, so it's been another 30 minutes. We have 2 bars of battery. Pretty warm. It's 12:32. We're at 55% battery. It says 45 minutes to 80%. Now let's get a temperature reading. And let's wait another 30 minutes. Alrighty then, so we're looking at about 100 degrees, which is better than before. So my timer didn't go off the way it was supposed to. It is currently 110. We are down to 1 bar of battery. It is still pretty warm, but we are at 71%. Okay. Let's get a temperature reading. Alright, so it looks like we're at 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So, still pretty warm. So yeah, at this point, we'll just wait for the battery to die and finish the video. I had a 30-minute timer going. It's got 10 minutes left. And I come in here to check on this, and it's dead. And my phone is at 73%. Alright, so we got our phone down to 10%. This battery is fully charged. So we're going to go ahead and just set it on top. We got the animation. And one of the new features of iOS 26 is it actually shows you how much time. 11%, 1 hour to 80%. So we'll set a 30-minute timer. We'll come back at about 8:30. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. We still have all 4 of the bars. It's at 27%, says 1 hour to 80. And it's actually very, very warm, meaning not very warm. We'll see in the temperature gun. Alright, yeah, so looking at it, we're showing 98 degrees there in the middle. At the hottest point, it's looking to be 100. So we'll come back in another 30 minutes and see how much more percentage we've gained and if it's gotten hotter or colder. Alright, it's been another hour. Slightly warm to the touch, just like before. I'm not even going to measure that. And 43%. 1 hour till full. Yeah, that's not even 100 degrees. Alright, so it's been another 30 minutes. And our phone is at 3 bars. Still just slightly warm to the touch. I already know that's going to be like 100 degrees. And it's at 57%. 48 minutes until 80%. So it's not charging very fast. Alright, it's been another 30 minutes. It's 10:08 p.m. We are now at 69%. 25 minutes until full. We're just slightly warm to the touch, so it's been the same. Alright, it's been another 30 minutes. We are now at 2 bars, and our phone is at 82%. And It's just slightly warm to the touch, so hopefully it's fully charged in 30 minutes. How much time does it say? Oh, it doesn't have a time because it's already at 80%. Okay. Okay, so I'm fixing to go to bed. It's late. I get up in the morning to go to work. I got 2 bars left. I want this to be above 90% right now. 94. 94%. Okay. That's fantastic. That means we're definitely going to be able to get a full charge from 10% to 100% with 1 full charge. Okay, that's definitely what I wanted to see. So we plugged it in at 10%, and we're going to get all the way to 100%, and we're going to use a little more than half the battery in this thing. So that's awesome. That's great. 1 full charge of this battery will get you more than 1 full charge of this battery. I'm going to go to bed now, so... Alright, so it's the next day. Left my phone charging overnight with this thing. I have 1 bar left. And my phone is at 100%. I kept it at 100% all night long, with 1 bar still left.
Alrighty, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. It's a small favor to ask for, but it actually goes a long way. And YouTube will think that this video should be recommended to more people, and more people will see it. I'll have links to these products in the description below. These were provided to me for free, but I am not being paid to make this video. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram, but I am most active on my YouTube community page. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.